For Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, those are the only believers who have believed in Allah and His apostle. And when they have come to the apostle regarding any such matter for which they were collected, then go not away until they have asked leave of him. Those who ask leave of you, those are they who believe in Allah and His apostle. Then when they ask leave of you for some affairs of their own, give leave to whom you will from among them and ask forgiveness of Allah for them. Undoubtedly, Allah is forgiving, merciful. Surah Nur verse 62. Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu says, I was along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam in a ghazwa. He says, by chance I came across the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam. I was riding my water camel that was not moving fast for being exhausted. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, what is wrong with your camel? He states that he submitted. It is weary. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam came behind, reprimanded the camel and prayed for it. So it easily outdistanced the other camels. Then he sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, how do you find your camel now? I submitted. Now it is all right. Your blessing has enveloped it. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, do you want to sell it? He said, I hesitated because I had no other camel then. So he said that he submitted, yes. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, sell it then. So I sold it on this condition that it would remain my mount till Madina Munawwara. He says, thereafter I said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, I have got married, so I sought his permission to leave, and he sallallahu alayhi wasallam accorded it. I, along with the other people, proceeded towards Madina Munawwara till I reached Madina Munawwara. First my maternal uncle met me, so he asked me about the camel and I told him this detailed account, whereupon he rebuked me. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says, while according me permission, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam asked me, have you married a maiden or a married one? I submitted, a married. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, you should have married a virgin so that you may play with her and she with you. I submitted, my father has died, or he said, my father has been martyred and I have young sisters, so I dislike to marry a maiden like them, for she would not be able either to train them or take care of them. That's why I married a widow, so that she might take care of them and teach them etiquette. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got in Madina Munawwara, I the next day took the camel to him. He paid me the price, then returned the camel to me as well. Hazrat Mughira said, it is excellent to do so in business and we do not see any harm in it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2967.